welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review on this unit you see me wearing right here. And as you guys can see, we have a slight change. The background is a little bit different today just because I wanted you guys to be able to see this color and the wig in its entirety. So yeah, you guys, this hair was sent to me from Dyhair777. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well because I post weekly. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, y'all, so again, I received this hair from Dyhair777, and it came in this cute bag right here. So we're going to go ahead and open her up, and inside of the bag is the hair and a card that just says about their hair care and their contact information. And it also came with a cute pin or whatever. So y'all, let's go ahead and get into this unit, y'all. Girl, so I am super excited about this wig, y'all. Like, look at the color. It is gray. Out of every color that I have tried, I have never tried gray. And y'all know a few years back, gray was like the new black. And I'm so surprised that I have not tried gray. But here we are, about to try a gray wig, and your girl cannot wait. So y'all, I'm not sure of the texture and the specs yet, but y'all already know your girl's gonna have it once we get further into the video, into the details. But this is what we have. I don't want to say it's a jerry curl, but it is some type of wave wig, and I believe it is a bob wig as well, you guys. But again, y'all already know I'll have the details later on. But this is the pattern. This is what we're looking like. I did pre-bleach the knots, or at least try to. Anyway, we'll get into that later. But yeah, I did pre-bleach the knots. And it is a 13x4, so I can say that. This is what the inside looks like. And then it has two combs, one on each side. It as well has a comb in the middle and a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. So y'all, so far we are feeling really thick, y'all. So that is a plus. I love me a good thick unit. So yeah, y'all, we're just gonna go ahead and put her on. So I'm first spraying my lace with my leg spray. You guys already know the drill. And then I'm going to use my blow dryer to seal in the spray. So now I'm just adjusting the wig to my head, and don't mind the spray in the front, you guys. I kind of want my roots and everything to be tinted, so we're all good. But yeah, to lay the wig down, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue free spray, and then I'm going to blow dry it to seal in the spray. So now I'm taking my Black Radiance powder, and I'm just going along the hairline, and this is just to better tint the lace. And then I'm going to go back in with my Got To Be Glue free spray and spray that along the hairline, and then blow dry that in. You guys already know this creates the perfect melt. To style the wig, I'll be doing a middle part, and then after I get my middle part situated, I'm then going to use my hot comb, and I'm going to use that to flatten out the parting space. So to curl the curls, I'll be using my water bottle that just has water in it, and then I'm going to use my Cantu curling cream and just put that all throughout the hair, and just, you know, rub my fingers through and use my denim brush so the curls can be a little bit more defined. So now I'm just going to touch the front back up with my hot comb and just get it to where I like it. Okay sis, so here is what we are looking like, and yes, your girl changed the background because I feel like you can better see the unit with the darker background because the wig is lighter. So yeah girl, this is what we are looking like, and yeah, we're looking like Storm. The color is gonna have to grow on me as usual when I try different hair colors, but so far I'm really liking it. I really think it's cute. Again, the color is just gonna have to grow on your girl. It kind of reminds me of like a ash blonde type of color. When I dyed my wig ash blonde before, it kind of looked like a light gray, so it's kind of giving me ash blonde feels. But yeah, we're gonna get into all of that. Let me go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back. Okay y'all, so that was the back, and I tried to turn around the best I could given that this sheet and stuff is in the background. But anyway girls, so let's go ahead and pull it up on the website, the details. So this is on the Dyhair777.com website, and it says that this is their bob wig, kinky curly, 150% density lace frontal, 100% human hair, gray blonde wig. So scrolling down, because it does have a picture of a gray wig and then a blonde wig, it does say that this is silk gray bob wig. So this is the gray one. As you guys can see, get into the color you guys, and for a second there I kind of thought that the color was like ombre, because when I was putting the product on, it was darker in the back and then lighter in the front. I don't know if you guys caught that or if you guys need to go back, but yeah, I kind of felt like it was darker in the back, but now that it's dried, it kind of all looks the same color. So yeah you guys, so this is a big hair friendly unit. The texture, again, it said that it's kinky curly, and it does feel very kinky you guys. When I first took the hair out of the package, I did notice the thickness, the coarseness, and the fullness. So it does make sense that it is a kinky curly texture, and that it does feel like very full you guys. It's a little dry, I will say that, and I'm not sure if that's how kinky curly texture hair feels. I kind of would imagine so, that it would feel just a little dry. So that is kind of like the feeling that I'm getting, but I mean, it's not overly dry or whatever. I am going to go in and add some oil sheen just to give it just a little moisture or whatever. But that is the texture, but it's very full, you guys. The ends of the hair is very nice. They're not frizzy at all. I didn't have to trim it. It curled very nicely, and it almost gives me like it is my natural texture hair, just because after you put the product on and it dries up, it does kind of shrink like you know, like natural hair would. So yeah, it is like that natural feeling, which is really nice. Like, I've never again had kinky curly hair, you guys, and I kind of like the texture. I love the fullness, and I love that it feels like my natural hair. So yeah, y'all. And in the process of putting the product through the hair, I did receive some shedding, but not a lot of shedding at all, you guys. Let me show it to you. Literally, this is all the shedding, or all the hair that I got from the shedding, and which is really good, you guys. I really thought that it was going to be more hair than this, just given the fact that it was coarse hair. It was a little dry, and because of the color. But sis, it really, girl, this is nothing at all. I've received more shedding with regular natural dark hair black units. So I'm really surprised, and I really think it's really good that it barely shedded. And of course, all hair sheds, especially curly hair, especially because you're putting that product in water and just manipulating the hair, so it's to be expected. So this shedding that it did was really just barely anything at all. Again, I really think that when I was putting the product in the hair, that it was like darker in the back and then lighter in the front, but now that it's dry, it kind of looks all the same color. This color is giving me like a ash blonde feel. I'm not sure how it looks on camera, but in person it's giving me ash blonde or whatever. I would like to like dye it just a little darker, because y'all, I don't know, lighter colors on me, like, I like it. And don't get me wrong, I think this wig is nice, but it takes me a while for it to like grow on me or whatever. So yeah, I probably will dye this just a darker tint, just slightly darker or whatever, just to, you know, I don't know, match my skin tone just a little better. That's why I left it right here, like, girl, I can't even talk. That's why I left the roots the way it was after spraying it, because I wanted to give it like some type of color. Like, I just can't put it on and it just be cold turkey, just gray. I just couldn't do it. So I do like that I left the darker tint on the roots or whatever. You don't have to. It can actually wash off. It's just leg spray. You can just wash it out. But I opted not to, just to give it some color again and just make it overall, girl, I be making up words, sis, but to overall give it some type of color. But yeah, y'all, the wig is pretty. I think the lace melted very nicely, y'all. I did add just a little bit of baby hairs, nothing dramatic, nothing overboard, just because I really feel like you can't even see them to begin with. So yeah, so I just added just a little bit, just because my forehead would not let me be great, and it just was not looking cute in the front to me. But y'all, overall, this is a really cute wig. The color, again, is gonna grow on me, but it's cute, and I just love the way that it just curled up after it dried, y'all. Like, this is really like my natural hair. So yeah, y'all, this is the unit. I will have it linked in the description box below if you guys want to get your hands on it. And before I let you guys go, I remember in the beginning I told you guys about bleaching the knots. I don't think that this unit, I don't think that you need to bleach the knots on this unit, because when I did, I used 40 volume developer and it really did not take it all. It didn't do anything. So I wouldn't waste my time bleaching the knots. I would just add the lace tint or leg spray or foundation, whatever it is that you like to use to tint your laces. That's all you really need to do. You don't need to waste your time in bleaching the knots, because with it being lighter hair, it really doesn't take. So yeah, you guys, that's really all I had to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.